Welcome everybody to my art room. I am going to do a big bloom. This is 8 by 8, I believe. Yes, it's 8 by 8. I'm not sure if I'm going to spin it or not, but I might just tilt it anyway. I'm going to try and blow it with my hairdryer. And I'm going to use black background this time. I haven't done that in a while. So it's my Glidden house paint mixed with my Beautitone, because my Glidden house paint was too thin. So I'm going to use it up and I'm going to mix them together. All right. Let's try this. I'm using a different Cell Activator that I made up using regular Floetrol. And I mixed my golden fluids in with it and it didn't work. So I'm like, what am I going to do with this now? Couldn't get it to work, so I added some Amsterdam paint to it. It worked a little bit better, but not great. So then I thought, I'll add Aussie Floetrol. So it's a mixture of American Floetrol, Aussie Floetrol, and two colors of black. I'll write that in the description. But it seems to be better now. All right, so colors am I going to put down? I did one earlier. I did a little sample. So I'm going to put some gold. Don't forget to make a bigger circle if you're used to doing tiles, or you'll never get it to the edge. Still a bit thick, but all right. I have this orange. This is, can't remember. This is a Liquidex. No. I don't know how I lose my lids, but it's gone. What's this one? Oh, it's Cad Orange by Liquidex Basics. I'm going to try and get some of these air bubbles out. Okay, some red. This is Brilliant Red by Loft. Gonna add a bit of water to it. Some lighter gold. Now I have some peridot metallic green by Extreme Sheen by Deco Art. Just getting a bit more water. Oh no, what's that? Uh-oh. Piece of my card. Getting a little off center here. All right, now the Cell Activator, and then I'm going to get my blower out. Okay. Take my put it on cool. Whoa, that's very pretty though. Yeah, this is going to need a spin. I'll be right back with my spinner. Okay. Back with my spinner. It's very cool. Well, it worked, and I like how it filled that black in the middle. See if my center has... It's almost... Let it settle a little bit longer. Take you in for a close-up. So I've got three metallics, two golds and a green. The green is metallic. It's almost ready, I think. I'm going to spin it the other way. Got to spin it both directions. Whoa. I love how that's blending. I think that's about it. Got a little bit of black here. I don't think I can get any more. Well, I could, but I don't want to. I don't want to stretch. Well, that almost came off. Oh, shoot. Well, do you think that's enough? I think that's enough. It's amazing. Very cool. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. I love how the gold's blended through there. Well, awesomeness and awesomeness and awesomeness. I can't say the word awesome enough. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back for more awesomeness. Hit the bell for notifications. For when I do another video, you'll get notified. And you won't miss one. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think. Below the video, there's a little drop down arrow. There's other information in there. My mixtures. Okay. Stay tuned for the dried results. They'll be right up. I'll just bring you in again for a close-up. Wicked. Awesome. Okay. Dried results coming up. Hello, everybody. This is my dried bloom. Look at how beautiful that is. It's so smooth, I cannot tell you. Look at that. Smooth as anything. Just gorgeous. I love the blending. I love it. Thanks for watching. Come back soon to Carole's Art Room. Have a good day. Bye-bye.